In the realm of startups, each venture has its unique tale. It's a journey of ambition, resilience, and discovery. How do you weave this narrative into your pitch deck? How do you make your story not just heard but felt? Think about the moments that have defined your startup's path. The late nights, the early breakthroughs, and the setbacks turned into stepping stones. These moments color your journey and shape your vision. Now, imagine sharing this journey with potential investors. Your pitch deck is more than just a presentation. It's a window into your world. It's where numbers meet narratives, where data dances with dreams. But what's the heart of your story? Is it the problem you're solving, the innovation you're bringing, or the impact you're set to make? Maybe it's the team you've built, the culture you've fostered, the future you're shaping. A truly compelling pitch deck does more than inform. It inspires. It invites investors into your story, offering them a seat on what promises to be an incredible ride. It's an opportunity to sell and connect, engage, and enthuse. So, as you craft your pitch deck, remember that your story is your strength. It sets you apart in a sea of startups. It turns a meeting into a moment, a slide into a spark, an investor into a partner. Every startup has a story. And what's yours?